Yes, it's true. Many motorcyclists are injured and killed from rear end collisions. Anything you can do to add additional LED lighting to the rear of your bike will make you safer. This video in 4K. Today we're specifically going to talk about adding ProBEAM LED fillers from Custom Dynamics to your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. This is a sponsored video. I want to thank Custom Dynamics for sending these ProBEAM LED fillers, for trusting us to thoroughly test and review these. I can tell you, now that we've had time with them, they are definitely an awesome product. They are quality, and they will definitely light up the rear of your bike. If they weren't a great high quality product, they wouldn't have made it on this channel. Today we're going to show you how to install the ProBEAM LED fillers from Custom Dynamics, and we're going to show you what they look like after the installation. And before we get installing these, I want to talk about some of the specifics. And one thing you'll want to note is you can get red or smoke lenses, chrome or black finish. And the plug-and-play system makes these a breeze to install. Want to save money, wrench on your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you. Let's talk Fitment. This is good for 2014 to present Harley-Davidson Ultras, Electroglides, Road King, Road Glide, and CVO models if the painted filler panels are removed. And if you want any more specific Fitment information, please use the link in the description below. Go straight through to the Custom Dynamics website. So as you can see, these are designed, they fit in the stock oval cutout on your saddlebag support rails. So what do you say we get these bad boys installed, huh? First thing to install these fillers, we're just gonna remove the saddlebag off here. And of course, he's got the stock levers in there, and he's just got an additional plug connected to his saddlebag that he's gonna undo there. And now he can set his saddlebag out of the way. We'll do that to both sides so we have access. All right, now he's just working on, we're gonna get the seat out of our way. He's just got the knob back in there, or if it's stock, it may be a Phillips. Get that out of the way. And with that released, he can go ahead, he's just disconnecting his heated seat. You may have one of those. And we can get that seat out of the way. And with just a little alcohol, just make sure you clean off the area where the fillers are gonna go here. We wanna make sure that it adheres well. All right, now we're going to move underneath the seat and we'll talk about wiring. This is how your bike is gonna look stock, guys. Right here on an Ultra, you're just looking for that plug, and that's the one that goes, you can see the lighting, that all goes to the rear of the bike. There you go. So he's just gonna go ahead and unplug this because we've got to split it, and it's just a tab, push at the top, pull. He had already pushed the tab there, so good to go. So this comes with your kit. All you're doing to make this really easy is you're just splitting. So you've unplugged over here your stock plug, and you're gonna go in between that rear lighting plug, and you're gonna split it. And this only goes one way because the plugs are different on both ends. You can see there. So he's gonna orientate that. It's got the wings at the top there. Make sure it clicks, and then he's gonna split it and go on the other side. And that's going out to the rear of his bike. Very good. Heard it click. So we've now officially split it. So now that we've split it, coming off that splitter, this is the reason we split it, is you've got two different plugs, and these are gonna go directly to your fillers. And we're gonna run wires down each side of the bike here in a second. Purple, look for the purple wire. That one is gonna go to your left. You do need to do these correctly. If we move over to the other one, you see it has a brown wire. That will go to your right side. So make sure you know that before you go any further. This comes in your kit. It's 3M per motor. And he's gonna go ahead and stick some of that on. It's just a little stick. And he pushed it there. That breaks it, you can see. And he can release that, and he's just putting it around where we're gonna stick this filler. And he moved over to the right side here, and he's putting the same thing on there. So this is our left side ProBEAM filler. And how do we know that? It is marked with an L. The other one is marked with an R, so make sure you put the right sides on there. All right, make sure you have left to left and right to right again. And we've let the primer or sticky promoter dry a little bit, just took a couple minutes. And now he's gonna go ahead and remove the tape. All right, just removing that red tape all the way around there. All right, and the way you wanna do this, of course, we've got all the red tape. Make sure your wire's going through the cutout, don't forget that. Bottom in first, and he's gonna rock it forward. And he's just applying pressure around this thing. And there are little tabs on there. You can hear it literally just clicks into place. At the same time, that 3M tape and everything is sticking it on there. You just see he's putting even pressure all the way around to make sure everything's seated well. So we're moving over to the right side. Again, it is marked with an R. All right, and just ripping the tape off. And these also come with the protective film, packaging film over the top. We're gonna leave that on for now. And again, he's rocking in the bottom. Once you get the bottom in, you just push everything into place, just like the other side. And nice even pressure around it. Okay, so in his hand, we're up underneath the seat here. In his right hand is the actual wire that's coming from the new ProBEAM Fillerz. Of course, that's the splitter where we split it, and we're looking for the left side. So we're looking for that purple wire, and he's gonna go ahead. These only go one way. And he's literally clicking in so we can have power to that left side ProBEAM filler. And he's routing his other one that's coming from your right side ProBEAM filler. And again, he's got the split with the brown wire. That will be the right side. And just make sure you hear a little click. And we've got power to both right and left side now. All right, and before we zip tie any wires down, of course, we just want to make sure we've got power back here on the new ProBEAM Fillerz. And look at that. Good to go, all powered up. And of course, we're just testing signals there, right signal. All right, and you know, wire management is kind of up to you on how you want to do that, but we'll at least show you how we're doing it. He's got a couple zip ties. He's running it from the filler. And we're just using the stock metal loops there around the fender strut. And you're just tightening those down. And then up underneath the seat, of course, you're gonna have a little extra slack. Up there, you could certainly bunch that up and zip tie it. And just, again, completely up to you on how you do that. All right, and there is a set of ProBEAM Fillerz from Custom Dynamics. Definitely gonna add a ton of visibility to the rear of your bike. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was useful. All right, I'm out of here. Hope you're well. Definitely hope you are out there getting some riding in. Peace.